Still on the Budget and Appropriation Committee has recommended that Parliament approve budget estimates for the national government's recurrent expenditure capped at 1.8 trillion shillings, covering essential government salaries and maintenance of public services. The committee noted that the increment in the recurrent expenditure was affected due to an 8 billion shillings increase in the ministerial projected Appropriation-In Aid. Here is Nduta Mukami with the details.
The National Treasury presented budget estimates to Parliament on key areas where the government has ramped up efforts towards fiscal consolidation. This has seen the Budget and Appropriations Committee propose that Parliament approve allocations guided by expenditure ceilings. Key among them includes The report further highlights that the Equalization Fund be capped at 9.6 billion shillings in a bid to reduce regional disparities and to promote equitable development across all counties. Nduta Mukami for Prime Edition.